Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Sprouting Seeds. Before knowing more about today's main topic, which is about herb named Hemigraphis alternata or red ivy, red flamed ivy or waffle plant, which has purple colored leaves, let's take a look upon my vertical planter setup. Now this first one is for microgreens. And for second setup, I have taken 2-liter bottles, 3 2-liter bottles, and have cut the bottom of the top 2 bottles in the size of bottle cap. Then put 3 bottles, one on the other, and put its cap in place. Now put holes in caps and join it with threads. Paint your favorite colors in, and don't forget to put many holes sideways with your soldering machine. The soldering machine, you get it on Amazon very easily. I've painted the whole setup with acrylic paints. I have put a pathos plant in the bottom, upper bottle with the baby sunrose, and finally the showstopper in the middle, which is today's main topic. I hope you really like the setup. In Indonesia, Hemigraphis alternata is used to promote urination, check and heal hemorrhages, stop dysentery and treat venereal diseases. Now this plant is popular in the US and rarely in the UK to use in hanging baskets for gardens. Now here I'm showing you the thread connecting the 3 bottles. That's baby sunrose cuttings. That's where I have made the cut. Now coming back to the main topic. This plant is characterized by grayish green leaves with purple above and darker purple beneath. This plant has wound healing effect. It is known as Murukotti in Malayalam. In southern India, the leaves are rubbed against bruises and wounds to promote healing. Now, preferably put it in not full shade but semi-shade. Water it moderately, only when soil is too dry, so that soil near the roots is not soggy. Soggy soil can kill your plant. It is propagated by stem and leaf cuttings. Its cascading foliage with a purple color and metallic tint is just very beautiful. It grows very easily indoors under right growing conditions. Now mist the plant regularly, or better yet, create a pebble tray to provide humidity to all your indoor plants. Now tip of the day. Place layers of pebbles in a plant saucer or any container without drainage holes. Fill 3/4 of the way with water and set the plants near the tray. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and today's this beautiful plant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with all the people you care about. Bye bye.